Hello friends, this is Das from Das of English. Today we are going to learn short, medium and long spoken sentences. So repeat after me and let's start now. I'm ready, I'm ready. I'm learning English, I'm learning English. I feel confident, I feel confident. I like speaking English, I like speaking English. I practice every day, I practice every day. I wake up early, I wake up early. I go to work, I go to work. I come back home, I come back home. I eat healthy food, I eat healthy food. I drink enough water, I drink enough water. I listen carefully, I listen carefully. I speak slowly, I speak slowly. I try again, I try again. I never give up, I never give up. I believe in myself, I believe in myself. I make mistakes, I make mistakes. I learn from mistakes, I learn from mistakes. I feel happy now, I feel happy now. I want to improve, I want to improve. I will succeed, I will succeed. I am ready to speak English, I am ready to speak English. I am learning English every day, I am learning English every day. I feel confident when I practice. I feel confident when I practice. I like speaking English with people. I like speaking English with people. I practice English every morning. I practice English every morning. Wake up early for self-improvement. Wake up early for self-improvement. I go to work with confidence. I go to work with confidence. I come back home in the evening. I come back home in the evening. I eat healthy food to stay fit. I eat healthy food to stay fit. I drink enough water every day. I drink water every day. I am learning English every day because I want to speak confidently. I am learning English every day because I want to speak confidently. I feel confident when I practice speaking English regularly. I feel confident when I practice speaking English regularly. I wake up early every morning and practice English to improve myself. I wake up early every morning and practice English to improve myself. I go to work with confidence and try to speak English whenever possible. I go to work with confidence and try to speak English whenever possible. I come back home in the evening and revise what I learned during the day. I come back home in the evening and revise what I learned during the day. I eat healthy food and drink enough water so that I stay active and focused. I eat healthy food and drink enough water so that I stay active and focused. I make mistakes while speaking, but I learn from them and try again. I make mistakes while speaking, but I learn from them and try again. I believe in myself because consistent practice brings improvement. I believe in myself because consistent practice brings improvement. So dear learners, if you want to speak English confidently, then you can follow Das for English and for watching till the end.